You ever feel shaky and you just can't figure out why? Sometimes for me, that's my nervous system, still reacting to something that happened a long time ago. It's like a smoke alarm going off. All you're doing is making a little eggs. That smoke alarm won't shut up. It's beep, beep, and you're like, give me a break. There's not that much smoke in the air. That's what's happening in your nervous system. That smoke is in the air because you're thinking of those thoughts again. You need to replace those thoughts with positive thoughts, or use the pattern interrupts that I've taught you. Put funny voices on those thoughts. Put funny images around those thoughts. That's the way you fan the alarm and get the smoke detector to finally stop screaming.